Good job. Chicken leg. Chicken. Just gonna put it in my pocket. Wait now. This is just something we need to talk about. I mean, just put it in my pocket and just keep it safe. It'll be, well, no. But it'll just be, wait. It's just a chicken leg. Wait. Hold on. Can I have the chicken? Can I just, let me just have chicken leg. Oh, wait. Hold on. Just at the chicken. Well, could just have the chicken. Yeah, just a little bit of it. Could just have the. Yeah. Well. Just a little bit of chicken is all I need. Just a bite of it. Okay. Wait. I'll just hold on to it. Just let me have a. Just a bite. Ooh. Fine, have it. Good. Just one more bite of chicken. Good. Just. Isn't chicken's not supposed to squish like that, is it? That's what I don't think there's. Maybe it's not good chicken. Wait. Just let me check it out to make sure it's okay, because it seems like it could have gone bad. I'm just looking out for you. If we could just have a the chicken. But it's got, you know it's got,
but it's got,
it does got spit. Oh.